Right now, you are hallucinating. Your senses flood your brain with 11 million bits of information every second. It actually uses about 50. Everything else your brain invents, and what it invents is your reality. That is the core idea of Beyond Belief by Nir Eyal. Your beliefs aren't truths, they are tools, and most of what holds you back isn't real. It's a belief you never chose. Beliefs do three things: they filter what you see, they script what you feel, and they set what your body can actually do. Eyal calls these the three powers: attention, what you notice; anticipation, what you expect; and agency, what you believe you can change. Watch how strong this is. Tell people a wine is expensive, and their brains literally taste it as better. Same wine, different belief, different reality. Doctors see it every day. A sugar pill, labeled as medicine, can dull real pain. The brain expects relief and delivers it. Your expectation becomes your biology. And it runs deeper still. People who see aging in a positive light gain 7.5 extra years of life. That beats exercise. Belief reaches all the way down to your cells. Belief even decides how hard you try. In a famous study, rats that were rescued once kept swimming for hours. Take away hope, and the body quits in minutes. Effort follows belief. But here is the trap. Empty affirmations do nothing. Telling yourself a lie you don't buy changes nothing. Beliefs don't create magic. They amplify the actions you already take. So the goal isn't true beliefs, it's useful ones. Serena Williams once hyped herself up with a stat that wasn't even real. It didn't matter. The belief sharpened her game, and she won. Now think of a belief you hold about yourself. I'm just not a numbers person. I'm not disciplined. That isn't a fact. It's a tool you picked up, and you are allowed to put it down. Because helplessness is your brain's factory setting. Hope is the upgrade you install, and you install it with evidence. So audit your beliefs. For each one, don't ask, is this true? Ask, is this useful? Then log your small wins every day. Proof is what rewires belief. Catch the story as you tell it. When your mind says I can't, add one word. Yet, when it says this is just who I am, ask, says who? Small edits repeated become your new default. Attention, anticipation, agency. See differently, expect differently, act differently. Change the belief and you change what is possible. But we saved the hardest part. How do you build hope when you have none to start with? That is where most people quit, and it is where this gets real. The full Beyond Belief summary, the complete breakdown, is waiting in the StoryShots app. Text, audio, and infographic. Search StoryShots, get it free, and pick up right where we left off.